Hello students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to do page number 33 of our WPS books. So let's begin with the first question. Exercise A. Write these sentences inserting the right words from the box. And this is the help box from which you have to pick out the correct or the suitable word and fill up in the blank given. So let's begin with the first question. A dash grows crops and vegetables for the market. So who is that person who grows crops and vegetables for the market? It's a farmer, and you will get the word here in the help box, farmer. A farmer grows crops and vegetables for the market. Number 2. He asked the dash to sell him a pair of spectacles. So who sells spectacles? Yes, it's an optician. So answer number 2 is optician, and you will find the word here in the help box. Question number 3. The treasurer of a college is usually called the dash. So what is the treasurer of a college usually called? It's a bursar. So here is the word bursar, which is the third answer. Now let's move to the fourth question. Unlike the wholesaler, the dash sells direct to the consumers, and we all know that the retailer sells direct to the consumers. So the answer will be retailer, and you'll find the word in the help box, retailer here. Now let's move to the fifth question. The dash puts the most cheerful interpretation to the facts, whilst the dash puts the gloomiest. So who puts the cheerful interpretation? Yes, it's the optimist, and you will get the answer optimist. The first answer of fifth question, optimist, and the second is the dash puts the gloomiest. So who puts the gloomiest, saddest of interpretation is the pessimist. He is called pessimist. Number 6, dash is the name given to a coal miner, but it also means a ship carrying coal. So the answer will be collier. Collier is the name given to a coal miner. A coal miner is also called a collier, and a ship that carries coal is also known by this name. Now let's move to the seventh question. A dash is an elected representative sent to a conference. So a delegate. It's a delegate who goes for a conference, and you will find the answer here, delegate, in the help box. Now number 8. Criminal cases are tried in the police court by a dash who is sometimes known as justice of the peace, and the answer is magistrate. Magistrate, and you will find the word here in the help box, magistrate. Now let's move to exercise B. Form nouns ending in ist from the following, and the words are, the first word is capital. So when we add ist as the suffix to the word capital, it becomes capitalist, and the spelling will be capitalist, capitalist. Second word is type, and it becomes typist when we add the suffix ist, and the spelling, there will be a slight change in the spelling. The last e will be dropped. As you know the rule, two vowels while we are adding suffix cannot exist together. So typist, the spelling will be typist. The third word is flute, and when we add the suffix ist, the spelling will undergo a slight change, and it will be read as flautist, flautist, flautist. Number 4, violin. Violin will become violinist when we add ist, violinist. So we will simply add the suffix ist. Now next is cycle, and it will become cyclist. The last e, the final e of the word cycle will be dropped, and ist will be added, cyclist. Next word is tour, and When ist is added, it becomes tourist, and the spelling is tourist, tourist. Now the seventh word is alarm. When we add ist, it becomes alarmist, alarmist. The next word, piano, and it becomes pianist. When we add ist, final O, as you all know, will be dropped, pianist, pianist. Now the sixth exercise, some nouns ending in ist give rise to adjectives ending in ic. So we have to form adjectives by adding ic to these nouns. Let's see the first word, optimist, and when we add ic it becomes optimistic. Pessimist, when we add ic it becomes pessimistic. We simply add ic at the end of the words. optimistic, optimistic. pessimistic, pessimistic. Realist, realist will become realistic. Artist, artistic, as you all can see in the video, the spellings ic is just added to the words. Militarist, so the word will be militaristic, tic. Socialist will become socialistic. Modernist will become modernistic, and atheist will become atheistic, and the spelling is atheistic, atheistic. So these were the first three exercises of page number 33, and exercise D, continue the series Avenger, Beholder, Commander, Dawdler, Farmer. So the given series is a list of words that ends in er arranged in alphabetical order. So you have to complete the list in alphabetical order with the words that end in er, and similarly the second series is of words that end in ist, ist arranged in alphabetical order. So you have to complete this list with the words coming in alphabetical order. So children, this was page number 33. In the next video, we'll talk about some other topic. Till then, goodbye.